Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to download and set up the best free VPN for Android and Windows, StarVPN. It's lightweight, super fast, and perfect if you just want privacy, streaming access, or to quickly hide your IP without complicated setups. And the best part, it works on both your phone and PC. So StarVPN is a free VPN that doesn't require crazy configurations. Just download, install, sign in, and you're good to go. It supports multiple servers worldwide and works on Android and Windows with just one account. We'll install it on Windows. So head over to the official StarVPN website, click Download for Windows, and install it like any regular app. The installation is super quick, takes less than a minute. Once installed, just open it, select a location, and hit Connect. That's it. Your internet is now secure and encrypted. Why use StarVPN? You can browse securely on public Wi-Fi, hide your IP address from trackers access region-blocked websites or apps, and stream and game with less lag. You can actually upgrade StarVPN. The free plan is great for basic browsing and privacy, but if you want faster speeds, unlimited bandwidth, and more server locations, you'll need to switch to the premium version. Upgrading is super easy. Just go into the app, tap on Upgrade, pick your plan, and you're set. That way, you get a smoother, faster, and more secure experience without the limits of the free version. So is StarVPN safe? Yes. For most people, yes, it uses solid encryption. AES 256 OpenVPN claims a strict no logs policy and includes leak protection features if you want strong privacy, journalism, activism, legal risk. Maybe go with a paid plan, but if you just want to hide your IP, stream, or use public Wi-Fi without worry, StarVPN works really well. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can set up StarVPN on both Windows and Android. It's free, fast, and simple. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech guides. And let me know in the comments, what do you use a VPN for most streaming, security, or gaming?